Digital twin. What is it and how does it benefit your business? Think of a flight simulator, a machine designed to resemble the cockpit of an aircraft with computer-generated images that mimic a pilot's view and movable controls. It's a virtual model of the real thing. Now take the concept of a flight simulator and introduce it to automation. Digital twinning technology opens up a world of applications, and along with them, many advantages. At Eclipse Automation, machine-level digital twins are used to simulate the behaviors of mechanical, electrical, and software design during product development and prototype testing of custom automation systems. The key benefit is that engineers can discover errors and correct them in the virtual machine before the physical machine is built, reducing risks and operational costs, including materials and labor, and also preventing downtime. Digital twins allow the project team to constantly monitor a machine, collect data on its performance, and compare it to its expected work performance. Using this data, they can identify and fix issues and fine-tune. The more that can be perfected before the building phase, the better. And through digital twinning, Eclipse is able to shorten the time to market. Digital twin is the key to the development of Industry 4.0, the latest evolution of manufacturing, which focuses on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. With our history and the collective know-how of over 300 engineers, Eclipse is on its way to being a leader in smart manufacturing, with an eye on the lights-out manufacturing model where every step of the manufacturing process is automated and requires little to no human interaction at all. For more information on how we can get our know-how working for you, please visit eclipseautomation.com.